You know what most people struggle with in their CNC machining? Meeting timelines and quality requirements set by customers. I have a solution for just this. By using our probes and tool setters, you achieve on-time and quality delivery, leading to increased customer satisfaction by more than 50%. So, what are you waiting for? By using our probes and tool setters, you will be able to improve operator productivity, reduce rework, rejection and scrap, enjoy lower machine downtime or idle time. www.manleo.com